All right, what up everybody? This is Mr. Stan coming at you with another physics video. This time we're going to talk about how to draw a graph. All right, I'll split this video up into 3 smaller parts so that you can see how to do each step. All right, so here's a blank graph, and we're going to use the numbers on the left side of the screen in order to make this graph, right? So let's look at what we have. We have some numbers represent time in seconds. Then we have some numbers representing position in meters. So this must have been an experiment or observation where we watched the position of something change as time went on. Now, to make a good graph, right, for everything to be correct, the graph needs 5 different things. It needs a chart title, an axis title, numbers, points, and lines. So let's first talk about the chart title. The chart title goes on top of the graph, and it should be of the form something versus something. All right, now we just have to figure out what those somethings are. All right, so the first word is going to refer to the dependent variable, which is that thing that we're watching and seeing how it changes. Now, if you look at time and position, we were most likely looking at the position. Okay, we wanted to know how the position changed as time went on. We weren't really necessarily interested in watching the clock go from 0 to 10 seconds. Right? We wanted to see the position and how the position changed as the time changed. So that makes position our dependent variable. Okay, and it's the variable that we're going to put first in the title, and then we'll put time as a second. Right, so there you have position versus time would be the title. Then we need to make our axis labels, our axis titles. And the rule is that we're going to keep the independent variable on the vertical axis. So you see position is a thing that we're watching and we want to see how that changes. So position is going to go on the vertical axis right there. In parentheses, we put the unit of measurement. These positions are measured in meters, so we would put meters there. Had we measured them in inches, we would have put in inches, and so on. Okay, and then the time is the independent variable. It goes on the horizontal axis, and again, we put seconds in parentheses because seconds was the unit of measurement. All right, so that is how you title the graph. And if you come back in the next video, we'll talk about putting numbers on the graph.